this video, we'll walk you through the steps to share your Skedler reports with other Skedler users inside your organization. Now, there are two ways to share these reports. The first one is to share a report individually. You can do this by clicking on the three-dot icon and choose the share option from the menu. All you need to do now is choose a user to whom you want to share a report with and choose a role, for example, admin in this case, and then just click on the share button. If you want to share multiple reports at a time, you can select the multiple reports by clicking on the checkbox and choose the share option present on the top right corner of your screen. The step is same as the previous step to choose the user, and now again you will choose the role, for example, let's say viewer in this case, and then I will click on the share button again. I will log out from here to show how these reports appear to the shared user. Now I am logging into the user where I have shared these reports. The shared reports are available inside the shared reports sections inside the Skedler UI. Click on the shared reports section and you will notice all the three reports shared by the report owner are available inside this section. Thank you, and let me know if you have any additional questions.